Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. You must update the game client and your OS now because mismatched versions cause security update failures. Once done, backup configs and any custom files so you can restore quickly if needed. Next, disable overlays and close bandwidth-heavy apps. This reduces conflicts during patches. Make sure network latency is stable and you have at least 15% free RAM for the installer. These steps prevent interruption and speed verification. You now execute the core updates and hardening. Run the launcher as administrator so permissions won't block security modules, monitor error codes, and log timestamps to trace failures. Then install hotfixes in the vendor-recommended order. Because dependencies matter, reboot between major patches to apply kernel-level changes. Once installed, verify file integrity using the built-in verification tool, compare checksums to expected values, and if a mismatch appears, restore the backed-up configs before retrying to avoid cascading issues. You finish by validating changes and preparing for recovery. Re-enable overlays and extra apps one at a time because incremental checks isolate conflicts. Confirm stability after each change. Run an exploit scan and a connectivity test to ensure security measures are active and network paths are clean. Log and timestamp anomalies so you can report specifics. If something fails, roll back to your backed-up configs, clear the launcher cache, and retry using a freshly downloaded installer. This sequence resolves most stubborn update errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.